Alright, now we're finished with the cut lines. What we're going to do is add some etching, some decoration. So we're just going to come over to layers. You can see what we have so far is one layer, and everything in there is for cutting. So I'm just going to rename that cut, and then we're going to add a new layer. So create a new layer there, and this layer will be the etching layer. Alright. So things you can do, you can draw any shape you want on here, and that will get etched instead of cut by the laser. I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text. So that's an option you've got there, is to add some text. You can, over at properties, you can change the font of that and the size, and to whatever you want to do with your text there. You can also, if you have a path, so say you've drawn an ellipse here, I don't know why that's come up black, so I'm going to make the fill of that clear and the stroke black. If you want to add text to a path, you can do that as well. So when I've got the text tool and the path I'm going to draw on is this ellipse, and just hold Alt and just hold Alt and click on the path. Alright, and then there you go, you can see that your text will get written around the edge of a path, and you can do that with the ellipse you've drawn, or you can do that with a path that you draw, any sort of free path. Alright, so you can add text, or you can draw shapes. So whatever you wanted to put on there to make it nice and pretty. So you could do some Girton stars. Here is a technique that you are going to need when you go to do the circle ball lifter thing. So I've got this one star here, and I want to repeat these in a circle. So if you go up to object and you find repeat, it's a radial repeat, and then you can choose the radius of the repeat and the number of instances you're going to repeat. So you'll need this tool when you go to do your ball lifting mechanism. So there you go, you might want to do something like that. And the other thing you can do is you can add images. So you need really to find some black and white images work best, although they can have color, but the laser printer can't cut etch color. So here's one I prepared earlier. There you go. So you can do something like that. Alright, so you can see you have two layers, a cut layer and an etch layer, and that's it.